Hey dude squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a portable foldable chair. You can see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and right here is basically what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So first, the inside right here, they do provide guys a little piece of paper to show you guys how to set the product and how to use it. And then right underneath that we do have the actual product, so let's take it out. So when you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. You can see how it does give you guys a little bag to store the chair inside. And on the bag, you can see it does have the brand name. And then if you can see on the back, they do give you guys a strap option, so that way you put it onto your shoulder for easy access, and that way you can carry around really easily. Top part right here, we do have a string option for you guys to make it looser or tighter based on your own preference. And when you guys do feel the material that's on the bag, it definitely feels like a high quality material. But let's open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys do open up, this is what the inside looks like. And you see for the one that we got right here is a black color. They do have it available in a few other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see what you prefer. But you see in the middle right here, they do have a strap option for you guys to hold in place. But when you guys are ready to use it, you basically want to unstrap it. And you pretty much want to open up and start setting up, just like how they show you guys in instruction paper right here. So let's set it up to show you guys how to use it. So once you guys unstrap it, you guys want to open it up. There's another strap inside for you guys to unstrap. So just like that. So once you guys expand that part, what you're going to do is turn it upside down. Make sure all the legs go down, just like that. And what you guys want to do is extend the top part right here to pull it out all the way until it locks in. Same thing for the other one. Just like that. And you probably want to do the same thing for the bottom one. Just like that. Once you guys got it all set up, this is what the product looks like. So the top part right here do have a high quality fabric that's also like a mesh material. So that way when you guys do sit down on here, it is breathable. So that way if you guys do sweat a lot, that won't be an issue. Top part right here, you see we do have the brand name. So this is what the product looks like on top. Here is basically what the product looks like on our side right here. And then for the bottom part right here, you can see how it is rotatable, which is pretty nice. And on all four of the legs, they do have like the non-slip material. So that way when you guys put it on the ground, it will move around. But really cool how to give you guys the rotation option at the bottom to rotate it if you guys want to, when you guys do sit down. And supposedly the material that's on here, it is tear proof and also it is waterproof. So if you guys do get water on here, it should be fine. And when you guys do feel the overall weight of the product, it's actually very lightweight. So that is basically how you guys do set the product. Now let me show you guys how to put it away. So the way how you guys put it away, you want to press each one of these buttons to push it back down. And you do want to be careful and try not to hurt yourself when you guys do it. So that's the first one. You have to do the same thing for all of them. You can see very easy and very simple. Once you guys bring it back in, you guys can close the bottom part first. So just bring it back together and strap it back on. So just like this. Once you guys strap back on, you guys want to bring these back down. And as you use the straps, just tighten it back up together. So just like that, very easy and very simple. Literally does not take that long for you guys to set it up and put away, you can see. So whether if you guys want to use it at home or when you guys are camping or anything else, how you guys want to use it and where you guys want to use it, that is totally up to you guys. But now I'm going to bring this over to a different room to show you guys what product looks like when you guys do use it. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so right here we got the chair all set up. You can see this is basically what the product looks like when you guys do put it down on the ground. So let's sit down on here to show you guys what it looks like. So I can see how when you guys do sit down, it definitely looks pretty nice and it supports my weight on here. But the cool thing about this chair, like I mentioned, is the fact that how it does allow you guys to turn. So for example, if I want to turn 360, I do have the option available, which is pretty cool. But once you guys do sit down on here, you guys can just literally just relax. But if you can see the product when you guys do set it up, it definitely looks pretty nice. Alright, welcome back guys. So now I saw a quick test of the product and definitely actually does work and she works quite well. If you can see the whole setup process and everything didn't take that long, it's actually very easy and very simple. And if you can see when we do sit down on there, it definitely supports my weight and it feels really comfortable when you guys do use it. And for those of you who are curious about the weight capacity that's on here, as long as you guys are not over 300 pounds, then you should be fine. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to come boxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys won't need one of these, especially if you guys in the market look for a high quality foldable chair that is also super compact like what you guys can see right here when you guys do fold it up. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.